In this section, we're going to be looking at powers and exponents. A power is an expression written with an exponent and a base. So let's look at an example. 3 to the power of 2. Here, 3 is the base, and 2 is going to be the exponent. When we look at a statement like this, it's basically saying 3 times 3. And we know that 3 times 3 equals 9. So 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. Now let's look at another example. 3 to the power of 3. It's going to be the same thing, except this time it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3, which equals 27. Now we're going to look at some examples evaluating powers. Example A, we have negative 2 to the third power. So this can be rewritten as negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. And when this is solved, you get negative 8. Okay, now our next example is going to be 2/3 to the power of 2. You're going to do the same thing, so 2/3 times 2/3. So you multiply the 2's, you get 4. Multiply the 3's, you get 9. So 4 over 9 is going to be your answer. Now we're going to look at an example of solving powers. Here we have 2 to the power of x equals 16. What we want to do is we want to solve for x. So what's going to be the exponent that when 2 is raised to that exponent is going to equal 16? So we know that 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 2 is going to equal 8. And then 8 times 2 is going to equal 16. So if we count up the number of 2's, we can see that there are 4 2's, so x is going to equal 4. So 2 to the power of 4 equals 16.